Good morning. I'm Rashan Gidwani, and you're watching the Daily Morning Note. It's Tuesday, the 21st of February, 2023. Singapore shares bucked regional trends on Monday as expectations of further rate hikes by the United States Federal Reserve weighed on investor sentiment. Across the region, other major markets were largely in the black. The Straits Times Index shed 0.6% or 19.62 points to 3,308.75. In Singapore, among the stocks to watch is PhillipCapital. U.S. stock markets were shut on Monday for the President's Day holiday. European shares inched higher on Monday with sustained gains in miners on bets of a demand recovery in China, offsetting a fall in industrials and shares of Telecom Italia. The Pan-European Stock 600 index closed 0.1% higher ahead of a slew of economic data due later this week. An attempt for the collective sale of Orchard Towers has failed to obtain the requisite 80% consent from unit owners, according to mainboard-listed property developer PYTCH. PYTCH, whose subsidiary Golden Bay Realty owns 59 strata lots comprising 21 shops and 38 offices at Orchard Towers, said in a bourse filing on Monday it had been informed that the proposed deal had fallen through. Manufacturer Grand Venture Technology has reported higher revenue of $131.1 million for financial year 2022, up 12.8% over the preceding year ended December 2021. However, due to one-off costs incurred because of recent acquisitions, as well as unfavorable forex and other costs, earnings for the same financial year 2022 was $13.3 million, down from $17.6 million reported for the preceding financial year 2021. OKP Holdings has reported higher revenue for the second half of financial year 2022, but because of higher admin and finance costs, it incurred a net loss of $2.2 million versus earnings of $0.5 million reported for the year earlier's first half of financial year 2021. Genting Singapore has reported net profit of $340.1 million for financial year 2022 ended December, 85% higher year on year, as profit before tax more than doubled during the year. Revenue grew 62% year on year during the period to $1.7 billion, while cost of sales grew 52% year on year to $1.1 billion. The directors have proposed a final dividend of 2 cents per ordinary share, double the final dividend paid the year prior. CDW Holdings says it expects to report a significant improvement in its consolidated profit for the financial year 2022 ended December 31st, 2022. The higher profit is attributed to the improvement in its LCD backlight units and LCD parts and accessories segment. The US dollar edged lower on Monday but kept close to last Friday's 6-week high after a flurry of economic data reinforced the market's expectations of tighter monetary policy from the Federal Reserve. Galois Capital, a crypto investment firm known for betting against the Luna token before its implosion last year, is closing its flagship fund after it was hit by the collapse of cryptocurrency exchange FTX. The fund had lost almost half its assets in the FTX disaster and then sold the claim for cents on the US dollar. Galois co-founder Kevin Zhou said in a series of tweets on Monday. Indian billionaire Gautam Adani has decided against bidding for a stake in state-backed electricity trader PTC India, people familiar with the matter said, as his business empire looks to preserve cash amid criticism from a U.S. short seller. Adani was among the possible bidders reviewing preliminary information on the Mumbai-listed company, Bloomberg News reported in January. U.S. President Joe Biden said during an unannounced visit to the Ukrainian capital on Monday that Washington would provide Kyiv with a new military aid package worth $500 million US dollars. That's all for today. For financial news, tune in weekdays at 8:30 a.m. live on YouTube and Facebook. Please like and subscribe for more. See you again and have a great day.